So, hello students. Today we're going to focus on a new topic of angles, and I hope you are aware of the same thing. So, as you can see, we have three types of angles: acute angle, right angle, and obtuse angle. So, you must be thinking about the crocodile picture over here. So, I couldn't think of any other animal. It's just that to understand the concept of angles, I felt like crocodile is one of the best animal I can think of. So now, starting with acute angle is an angle which is less than a right angle, which is less than 90 degrees. Now, how to know, like how can we know about it? It's because of the tool, it's called protractor. So we can use it and we can calculate or we can actually measure, the angle. For example, if I just take, you know, this thing and this thing together. It's an acute angle. Why? Because it's less than 90 and it's around 40 degrees. You can see. Yep. Okay. And now what is right angle? It's obvious. If you just use the same thing right here, it's a 90 degree. So acute angle, which means it's always going to be less than 90. Okay, 90 degrees. Right angle means it's going to be exact 90. And obtuse means it's going to be more than 90, which means more than 90. Okay. So you can just see like it's a 90-degree angle and it's just keep expanding. So we can take the example of the crocodile opening his mouth wider. For example, the crocodile is opening his mouth like this. So it's an acute angle for now because it's not like exact 90 or it's not even more than that, right? But when he expands it and he opens his mouth like this, right? It's going to be a 90-degree, right? And now he expands his mouth again. He sees a bigger thing and he's just going to open his mouth like that, right? So it's going to be an obtuse angle. So I'm sure you must have understood this part. Yep. Okay, give me a second. All right. So you can see some of the questions right here. You have to classify the angles, whether it is acute, obtuse, or right angle. So talking about this, it's going to be an acute angle for sure, right? So the other two, I'm just going to leave it for you. So hope you're going to give me the answers. So till then, take care. Bye bye.